let's talk about the horizontal line. Okay, we're gonna use the horizontal lines while we're trading so we can understand where is support and where is resistance. Okay, now some of you guys are having trouble with understanding the micro pullbacks, and I understand because some of you guys are not used to looking at the market like that because nobody really talks about it. I think I'm probably the only one that talks about it because that's how I look at the market, right? So let me show you, all right, what you can do instead when it comes to the horizontal lines. So I want you to understand the market moves in waves. So even if you don't understand, okay, the micro pullbacks, you can still use these small pullbacks right here, right? Now, the small micro pullbacks is just a one candle pullback. That's all you have to understand. But let's say you don't understand it yet. All right, fine. You can use these small pullbacks, so you should understand that. Now, if you can't understand that, then you have to practice more. So notice how we have the market going up and going down, going up and going down, going up and going down. So what you can do is, instead of using the micros for now, you just use these. Okay, use these, mark these down, mark these swing highs and lows right here. Okay, and then basically use those as support and resistance. And you will still use the same concept. So let me show you real quick. Let me erase that. And you will still use the same concept where basically you're using the body of the candle and the wick, okay? But at the same time, you're just using these small ones because some of you guys don't understand the micro ones yet, which is okay, it's fine. But I still don't want you guys to dismiss the micros. I want you guys to still practice, you know, marking down the micros, you know, in your spare time. But for now, the small swing highs and lows, you probably understand those much better, okay? So you have a swing high right here and swing low right here, okay? And I told you guys before, if you can't see it, okay, better, you can go to the line chart, and the line chart will definitely help you see the waves, okay? So if you go to the line chart right here, every chart has a line chart. You can see the waves. The market went up, down, okay? So you can use these small swings. I understand some of you guys don't understand the micro swings yet. And if it's the first time looking at this video, the next video will show you how to mark down the micro swings, okay? But in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how to use the small swings and the major swings, okay? So this is just the small swings right here, okay? So the major swings is basically when the market goes up a lot and goes down a lot, okay? So notice how we have a nice major swing right here. The market went up, okay? The market went down. And you can mark these down too, right? Market went up, market went down, up, down. So what you're going to do is use these swings, right? These major swings while you're trading, okay? And then you can use those small swings while you're trading, right? So let's say that you're trading right here and you see a major swing right here. You can actually use the next one. So you don't have to go back, okay, so far. Whatever major swing is next to it. So let's say that you're trading right here and the next available major swing is right here. You don't have to go all the way back and see, okay, we have a swing right here. We don't have to do that, okay? So the next available major swing is right here. So you can mark that down, okay? Notice how it's lining up nicely with this one right here. So you can have that on your chart and you have those small swings on your chart. So you guys can get used to it because I'm tired of some of you guys saying, I don't understand the micro swings. The micro swings is just very simple. It's just one candle. So notice how we have one candle right here. The market went up, it paused right here. That's pretty much the micro swings. If you don't understand that yet, fine. It's all good. Another way you can understand the micro swings is maybe you go to the 30-minute chart and basically maybe see the small micro swings better. But honestly, I like to stick with the 1 hour chart, okay? And stick with that first and draw your major swings, which is right here, all right? These major swings right here. So let's say that you're trading today, and let's say that this is the time you're trading, and we are at a major swing. Make sure, guys, you mark that major swing down because a lot of times the market will react to that major swing. So mark these major swing highs and swing lows, and mark the small swing highs and swing lows, okay? So the highs and the lows, you can do the body of the candle. Remember, this one is the body of the candle and the wick, okay? And I want you guys to basically practice. So this is your homework, guys. Practice marking the swing highs and the swing lows, right? So let's say that this day right here was where the market was trading, and you're waiting for the market to do something, and went to that resistance line. Okay, now you know. All right, we had this nice major swing resistance right here, right? And also we have this nice major swing support right here. So keep that in mind, guys. I want you to practice drawing these swing highs and swing lows. That's your homework. Do at least 50 to 100 of these so you can understand how to mark down these support and resistance lines. Now, let's talk about swing trading, because some of you guys have been asking me, hey, can I use this same strategy when it comes to swing trading the market? And the answer is yes. Let me explain something to you guys. When it comes to trading the market, the same patterns will show up on a 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 15-minute chart, daily chart. It doesn't matter. All charts are the same. So all these patterns that I'm telling you guys, or all these setups I'm showing you guys, it will show up on any chart, right? 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute, daily chart, weekly chart, it doesn't matter. So yes, you can use this strategy when it comes to swing trading. Okay, so let me show you some examples. So right here, this is a daily chart right here. So when you're swing trading, you can use a daily chart for your levels, and you go down to your 1 hour or your 4 hour and take your trades. So let me see here. All right, so we have this nice little breakout pullback. We can mark that down right here, right? So we can mark this down right here. Let's breakout pullback right here, right? What else we have? We have this nice breakout right here. We have this nice breakout right here, trend line breakout. Also, we have resistance right here, guys. So again, you're doing the same thing you're doing on a 1 hour chart. You're marking down your resistance at your swing highs, swing lows, right? You look for breakouts, and you look for your support and resistance, okay? We have a breakout right here, right? And we have some more breakouts right here. Actually, let's just go with these right here. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Okay, so let's go with the first. Okay, so we have resistance right here. So we have a resistance. So basically, you can get in somewhere around here. I do see a nice breakout. Okay? So that could have been one of your entries right here. Breakout right at resistance, and went down. And then also, it came back to this nice resistance right here again. I don't see any decent signal. Only thing I see right here is a trend line break. So if you want to do that trend line break, okay, that's another way to get in. So those are two quick trades on 1 hour. Let's go down to this right here. On the daily chart, we broke down and we pulled back to this. So let me see if I see any setup around here. All right, I see a nice bearish bar right here. Okay, so let's say that you want to get in with that bearish bar right there. Right here, this bearish bar right here. So you can get in right there, and you can actually put your stop loss above that bar. Or since this high is not far from the bar, you could probably put it above here. It's up to you, okay? I'll probably put it at the candle. But again, if you want to put it above this high right here, since this high is not far from the candle, you can do that too, right? And then, you can look for your profits. So, guys, when it comes to swing trading, it's the same thing, right? It's the same concept. Everything works the same, right? Let me see. We had one more trade. Let me see. Okay, we had this breakout right here. So we break out, we pull back to that swing high. Okay, so these are swing highs right here. And basically, what I see is a nice trend line break. If you want to get in that trend line break, right? Or I do see a nice bullish bar right here. Okay, nice bullish bar. You get in right here for a nice winner. Look at this, nice winner. Let me see what else. Okay, all right. So I think that was it. Okay, I drew some right here. So let's see what's going on with this one right here. All right. So we broke out of this trend line right here, and it came back to this swing. So notice how it came back to this swing right here, all right? And basically gave you this nice tail bar right here, another nice trade to the upside. So guys, this is what you can do on a daily chart if you're swing trading. It's the same concept, guys. It's the same thing. You're using the same strategy, right? Now, let's say that you don't want to trade the 1 hour or the 4 hour, okay? You can actually trade the daily chart by itself, right? So if you want to just only trade the daily chart by itself, you can do that too, guys, right? It's the same thing. look at this right here. The same thing, right? We have a nice breakout right here. And pretty much the market kept making higher highs. Nice solid bar right here, pulls back, give you a nice tail bar right here, pulls back, give you another tail bar right here. So the daily chart is a good chart to trade, guys. Please do not sleep on the daily chart. It's a nice, clean chart to trade, right? So if you just only want to trade the daily chart, it's the same thing. So notice how we broke above this high right here. It's a major high right here. We found some resistance around here. Okay, give you this nice tail bar right here. Okay, for that nice winner to the upside. Again, pulls back. Notice how it can't close below this swing. There's another good winner right here. So guys, do not sleep on the daily chart. It's a good chart if you want to swing trade. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys. So let's go to the next video. The next video is pretty much the original video for the small account builder. It's going to show you how to mark down your micro swings and so on. So let's go.